Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Proton Mail for anonymous email in the USA. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Proton Mail website. Click on the sign up button located on the home page. Choose the free plan option to get started. Enter a username for your new email account. Select a strong password that meets the security requirements. You will be prompted to confirm the password. Now, enter a recovery email address. This is optional, but it can help if you forget your password. Next, click on the Create Account button. Proton Mail will now ask you to complete a CAPTCHA. Follow the instructions to prove you are not a robot. Once completed, click Next to proceed. You may need to verify your account via one of the methods provided. Choose either the SMS verification or the encryption key option. If you select SMS, enter your phone number and await the verification code. Enter the code to verify your number. If you prefer to use encryption keys, follow the on-screen instructions. Once your account is verified, you'll be taken to your inbox. Now, go to the settings by clicking on the gear icon. In Settings, navigate to the Security tab. Review the available security features to enhance your privacy. Consider enabling two-factor authentication for added security. You can also explore the privacy options available. Set your preferences for email encryption and other privacy settings. After configuring your settings, you're ready to use Proton Mail. Compose your first email by clicking on the Compose button. Enter the recipient's email address in the To field. Add a subject line and your message in the respective fields. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.